Hey yo, welcome to Kentucky, bro. Damn. I woke up to this. This shit heavy over here. Look, oh, damn. Everybody's stuck, cousin. Look at this shit. I've been here like past 2 days, so I'm like deep in. I don't know how am I gonna get out, but damn. This is America. Don't you go tripping out. Hey, don't you go flipping out. Hey, yo, this shit is deep. Yo. Hey, yo, everybody's stuck, bro. Look at this shit. Hey. This is America, huh? Don't you go flipping out. Hey, don't you go slipping out. Don't you be tripping out. Look at this shit, man. Yo, this is at least, what, 19 inches, guys? Am I right, boys? 19 to 20 inches, right? That's crazy. 20 inches of snow, man. I think it's more than 20. Probably like 27 inches of snow. Am I right, boys? This is America. Welcome to Kentucky, man. This shit is crazy out here. Everybody's stuck. Man, everybody. This is America. Hey, don't you be flipping out. Hey, don't you be tripping out. Hey, don't you be slipping out. Shit, bro. Everybody's stuck out here, cuz. It's a lot of snow, man. I believe it's like 27 inches, bro. Probably more than that. Hey.